So the AI image generator Nano Banana is blowing up right now, and people are wondering how to use it for free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get Nano Banana AI for free step by step. But first, quick warning. If you search online, you'll find fake websites pretending to offer Nano Banana. Don't fall for them. Nano Banana hasn't been officially released by Google, so those sites are scams.
To actually use Nano Banana, you need to go through a platform called LLM Arena. It's basically a leaderboard for AI models, where anyone can test them for free. Companies upload new AI models here, and you can try them without paying a cent. On LLM Arena, you'll find text models, image models, and more, all completely free.
Now here's the good part. Nano Banana is finally listed on LM Arena. No more relying on random battles. Just head over to the Generate Images section, scroll until you see Nano Banana, click it, and you're ready to start creating images for free. You can also access Nano Banana directly through Google AI Studio. It's another official way to test Google's latest models, including Nano Banana, without paying anything. Once you've selected Nano Banana, just type your prompt. For example, a cyberpunk city with neon light reflecting on wet streets. In seconds, you'll get stunning results. The best part? You can keep experimenting with edits, art styles, and transformations as much as you want. To get the best out of Nano Banana, use specific prompts. Mention styles, colors, and details. And if you want something very specific, you can take ChatGPT's help for getting a detailed prompt of the image. And that's how you get Nano Banana AI for free, either on LM Arena or through Google AI Studio. Both are official, both are free, and both give you access to Google's latest AI image generator. If this helped you out, hit like, and I'll see you in the next one.